Hello everybody, welcome to WordsUp. So the word for the video is pacify. Once again, pacify. The phonetic spelling would be pa-suh-fy. Once again, pa-suh-fy. Pacify. Now pacify would mean to appease or to make peace with. Yeah? Now pacify, the word pacify comes from the Latin word pass, which means peace. So it's a way in which you could remember it easily. A way in which you could use pacify in a sentence would be the mother feeds or plays with the baby to pacify him or her, right? A way in which you could smartly remember pacify is using this picture. This that's in the baby's mouth is a pacifier. The parents put this pacifier in the mouth of the baby to make peace with her or him, to appease the baby. Yeah. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are WordsUp.